Today we will install a Armour Nano Glass screen protector on a Samsung Galaxy. Step 1. Clean your screen thoroughly from dust and fingerprints using the wet wipe, then dry it completely with a dry cleaning cloth. Step 2. Use the dust removal sticker to pick up any tiny dust particles. Step 3. Peel off the Nano Glass from the base sheet and carefully align it with your device screen, noting any sensor or camera cutouts. Step 4. Push out any remaining air bubbles using the install card. Push the air bubbles slowly and gently towards the nearest edge. Last step, grab the dust removal sticker again, place it in any corner of the screen protector, and use it to peel back the last top protective layer of the screen protector. Re-smooth to remove any extra small bubbles. Any remaining small bubbles and marks will disappear with use in the following 24-72 hours. Enjoy!